Girl, you got me down so bad.
We are going to get into some unboxing. So this is the Kinky Curly human hair crochet hair from 𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐄, and they sent over 5 packs of their kinky curly hair. I took my braids and then I pinned them up with, so I take the crochet needle, the hook part open, and then I just put the hair on it, pull it back through, and then I knot it 1 time. Head, this is what 1 pack looks like, 2 packs, and then 3 packs, and then 4 packs, and then the last one is just going to be me with the finished product.
Crush on you, I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush.
Yeah, overall I think this is very pretty, and I do think crochet hair is like all the rage right now. Yeah, it's all the rage. You can go, it's so many different things you can do. You can do half wigs if you want to, or you can do crochet. I think this is very pretty.